Hello, awesome people, to the second part of this small CogVideoX video series. In this video, we will build up a video-to-video workflow on top of the last video's workflow, which was only used for image-to-video. We need to change some nodes and we need to download some models. But other than this is quite straightforward. So let's start right away. At first, we need to change the model downloader node on the top. We will exchange it to the GGUF type. It's called download CogVideo GGUF model. Let's delete the old one. And we need another sampler. For this example, we are exchanging the normal XFun sampler to XFun control sampler. And then we connect the pipeline and can further connect it to the CogVideo decode, also the samples. We can connect the positive and the negative prompt, and we can delete this old sampler. Okay, now before we forget it, let's check the settings. This model here has to be exchanged to the pose model because we want to generate something with some pose images as a base. We keep the BF16 setting, the fast mode is set to false, and all the other settings stay on the default setting. Can delete the load image node and exchange it with a load video node. Double click on the background. We use the load video upload VHS node. You need the custom VHS nodes for this. Now with this video node, we want to generate some poses from the video. So we need the DV pose estimator. It's contained in the ControlNet aux custom nodes, and we can fill this to the resize image node. Let's do a preview image here so that we can see what kind of pose got generated. And now let's check the settings and load a video. I found this dancing girl on archive.org. I will link it in the description below. Let's check the settings. We want to use 49 frames, so set the frame load cap to 49. We want to skip no frames, so we keep those settings like this. The pose estimator, we need all those enabled. 512 as a resolution is good as well. Let's choose the YOLOX L torch script PT as a B-box detector, and we keep this Ukoko 384 pose estimator model. Okay, that should be it for the pose estimator. Now the resize image, we can change this to Lankosh. Keep proportion because we have a portrait mode video, not a video with same width and height. We need this divisible by 16 and the crop is disabled. Okay, now we need to fill this image to the control image encode. We keep the base resolution to 512. We don't use tiling and we keep the noise strength to 0. But we need to connect the pipeline. And now we should connect the control latents to the control latents port in our sampler. Let's make some space here. Okay, now for the sampler settings, steps to 25 is good. I like to use the XDPM scheduler here and a control strength of 0.7, and we keep all the other settings as default. For the CogVideo decode, we keep everything as well, and let's keep the video combined settings as well. I think we have everything. Let's change the prompt to bear dancing on a field and let's give it a try. And there we go. The resolution is fairly low and the quality is not as good, but you get an idea. Let's see the pose here, you can clearly see that this pose is controlling this dancing bear. Yeah, that's it for now with the CogVideoX. I hope this two-part series got you some insight how you realize things with it. I'm sure there will be more videos on CogVideoX. Be sure to subscribe. I will put this workflow on my Patreon page. The link will be in the description below, as well as a link to the base video. I hope to see you soon, and please comment below if you like this video model and what you want to do with it. Have a nice day. Goodbye.